Hello friend, thank you for joining me. My name is Mark Stuckey and I'm one of the SRE coordinators in the Diocese of Grafton. The aim of this short video is to guide you through the process of accessing the online SRE training portal on the internet. Then, once in the training portal, I will guide you through the process of making payment for your training. So let's begin by accessing the online SRE portal as we move to a share screen mode. By now, you will have already completed the application form and received the welcome letter from the SRE coordinators outlining the application and authorisation process of becoming an SRE teacher within the New South Wales Department of Education schools. The welcome letter contains a couple of hyperlinks. The first is one related to applying for Working with Children check clearance. While Working with Children clearance is important, it is the second hyperlink that I want to focus on today. To open this hyperlink, simply hover over it like this. You will notice that an instruction box comes up, providing you with an instruction to use. It simply says, click or control and tap on the link to follow, like this. I'll repeat that instruction again. Simply hover over the hyperlink. You'll notice a pointing finger. You simply need to press the control key on the keyboard and then with the left mouse click, and as you can see, the website now appears on your screen. You have opened up the website or the training portal in which we will be using. I'd now like to move to the second part of this short video, whereby I will guide you through the necessary steps for you to create an account and make payment for your training. If you scroll down through this home page, you will come to the available courses. This first one, the new PY Combined Christian Primary School SRE Training, all 7 modules, self-directed online, is the one we'll be focusing on. However, as you scroll further down through this home page, you will notice that there is other hyperlinks. These are the individual modules that you can do separately. I'm going to focus on the top one here today. So it's simply a matter of hovering over it like you did previously on the hyperlink, and you'll notice the pointing finger. You simply left click. When you open that hyperlink, it will come to this page, and you either have the option to log in if you've been a previous user, or create your account for the first time. This top section is for those that have logged in previously. So you just enter in your username or email and password and then log in. Today for this video though, I'm going to be focusing on the bottom section, which indicates you're a first-time user. And so we're going to create a new account. So to do that, this button here that says Create New Account, left click on the mouse and it brings you to a form page. You'll notice that there is a number of items in which you've got to enter in, and the items that have a red circle with a white exclamation mark are important fields which you need to complete. For the username, all the letters need to be lowercase. For the password, you are given some instructions where it says you need at least 8 characters, at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase, and at least 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 non-alphanumeric character, such as an asterisk, a hyphen, or the hashtag. So you should receive an email like this one here. It says to confirm your new account, please go to this website. You'll get a page like that that says thank you with your name. You can then press continue. And now we've reached the page that our next step will move into paying for the online module. So simply come down through here. You'll notice that it's $100 paid via credit card through PayPal. At the moment there's a special offer on, so it'll only cost you $70, and you can ask your local church to cover the cost for you. Otherwise, you can go ahead and make the payment yourself and then be reimbursed through the church. Or if you do need the church to pay for it, then just go to your local church and sit with someone who is responsible for the financial accounts, and they'll go through this part of the process with you and pay for it for you. So just to show you how to pay for it, you simply come down the bottom here to send payment via PayPal. Press that button there. It will bring up a page here. We're choosing the pay by card option. All you simply need to do is you just need to fill in these details here with your card details. So once you've gone through and entered all your details, bank account details for your credit card, you simply just hit pay now. The payment is made and you will receive a receipt for your payment, which will come through to your nominated email account. From this point onwards, you are ready to start training. You can either train and complete the course yourself at your own pace, or there are opportunities for you to train by attending training sessions that we have through the diocese. Whatever training course method you choose, best wishes as you complete the course. Thank you for watching this video. I trust my demonstration and explanation have been of assistance to you as you complete your online SRE training to become an SRE teacher in our local schools. If you need further help or have any questions regarding the SRE teaching in schools, please contact either the Reverend Canon Mike Ridge or myself as the SRE coordinators for the Diocese of Grafton. We are only too willing to help you. Our contact details are on the welcome letter, or they can be found on the diocesan website. May God bless you in your ministry as an SRE teacher, and best wishes as you complete the training.